This keyboard is very well made. It sounds amazing. The Gateron yellows are beautiful. The colors are absolutely amazing. I love how it gives you a little flashing light to let you know when it is ready, or like when you can't put it up anymore. There's a bunch of different settings of lights. I like this one a lot. Also, this one is one of my favorites. And also, you can change the color. I typically like white and then blue. Let me just turn off the lights real quick so you can see what it looks like. It looks really good in the dark. Absolutely amazing. And it's amazing because I'm typically a gamer who plays in the dark. So it just looks amazing when you're in the dark. And I like how you can, the amount of noise it creates is all dependent on how hard you hit the keys. You can use it very quietly if you just don't hit it too hard, but you can also use it very loudly. Let's see, look, this is me doing it quietly. This is me doing it loudly. So it's a very big difference, and I like how the keys are very responsive. That's how quickly it responds. Never is really far away from the one you hear. The keycaps are very well made. I like the designs. The back design is also completes it. This also works very well. I'm going to show you the keycap color. Give me a second. Sorry for the black screen. You just have to stick this on there. Just wrap it around. Get a good grip on it, and then just pull it. Boom. Very easy. You can see that the keycap is in perfect condition, and you can also now see the switch, which looks amazing. You can also see the light flashing from there, and once you want to put the keycap back in, you just take it out of this. You just take it back out, make sure it's the right way up. Hold on, yes, it's like this. And you simply just put it back on. And I really love how you can just lightly push it down. There's no need to like slam it down. Because my other keyboard, of course, it takes a little bit of pushing to get it in there to make it like even with the other ones to make sure it's good. But my last keyboard, I would have to push it so hard that I'd feel like I'd be damaging the switches, and I actually did damage it eventually because of how hard I had to put them back on when I was messing around with them and switching them out. So this one actually works a lot better, and I'm just amazed with the build quality. And I would recommend this to anyone who is looking for a nice looking keyboard that doesn't take much space on their desk and sounds nice and looks nice in general.